Simply put, metabolism tends to slow down with age. This is a natural part of the aging process and can be attributed to several factors. 1. Loss of muscle mass. As people age, there is often a gradual loss of muscle mass, known as sarcopenia. Muscles require more energy to maintain than fat, so a reduction in muscle mass can lead to a decrease in overall metabolic rate. 2. Decreased physical activity. Older individuals may become less physically active, leading to a decrease in the number of calories burned through activities like exercise. Physical activity plays a significant role in maintaining a healthy metabolism. 3. Hormonal changes. Hormonal changes associated with aging can also influence metabolism. For example, there is a decline in growth hormone and testosterone levels, which can adversely affect muscle mass and metabolism. 4. Cellular changes. Cellular metabolism and energy production can be influenced by changes at the cellular level, including alterations in mitochondrial function. Mitochondria are the energy-producing structures within cells, and their efficiency may decline with age. 5. Genetic factors. There may be genetic factors that contribute to variations in metabolic rate among individuals, and these genetic factors can influence how metabolism changes over time. It's important to note that while your body's metabolism tends to slow down with age, it is very possible to reverse this process. Click the link in the description below to discover the #1 hack to help you reclaim your youthful metabolism. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and would like to see more similar content from this channel in the future, please take a few seconds to like and subscribe. If you have specific suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments section below. And to avoid missing out on future releases, please remember to click the notifications bell. Have a great day.